Hello students, I am Umesh Mishra, I am math teacher of ELPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, today I will revise most interesting topic, simple and compound interest. Before starting the simple and compound interest, I will explain 3 points. Point is, first of all, principle. Principle. And second is interest. And the third is time. First of all, I will explain principle. What is principle? If you borrow from any other person for some working purpose, or if you deposit amount of money in the bank, then money deposit in the bank or money borrowed by any person is called principal. अगर हम किसी काम के लिए कोई पैसा किसी आदमी से उधार लेते हैं या हम अपना पैसा अगर बैंक में जमा करते हैं तो उसे हम प्रिंसिपल कहते हैं. So dear students, I hope that this is clear. Now next point is interest. What is interest? When you borrow money by any other person or money deposit in a bank, then when you borrow from any other person, then we have give any extra money for that person. That is called interest. For example, सपोज करो जैसे अगर तुमको जो है यहाँ से अगर अपने घर से अगर तुमको स्कूल आना है और ऑटो से आना है, ऑटो से घर से जब स्कूल आओगे, स्कूल पर उतरोगे, जो है उतरने के बाद जो है उस ऑटो वाले को तुम जो है किराया दोगे. जो किराया उसको दोगे वही क्या होता है, इंटरेस्ट होता है. वह ऑटो तो लिए, ऑटो भी छोड़ दिए और इसके अलावा जो है उस ऑटो वाले को जो है तुम किराया में दिए. तो क्या हो जाता है, जो किराया दिए जो है उसको वही क्या होता है, इंटरेस्ट होता है. और जो मनी जो प्रिंसिपल हुआ वो क्या हुआ, ऑटो हो गया. सो dear student, I hope that this is clear to you. If you add interest and principal, then we get amount. So amount equal principal plus interest. Principal plus interest. Amount equal principal plus interest. Now third point is time. Time means कितने टाइम तक जो है हम उसको बारो दिए या बारो लिए जो है वही क्या होता है, टाइम होता है. अब टाइम जो है या तो ईयर में होता है या डे में होता है. अगर टाइम जो है अगर ईयर में है तब तो ठीक है, क्योंकि जो इंटरेस्ट हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं वह जो है ईयर पर ही कैलकुलेट करते हैं. अगर टाइम जो है अगर डे में है तो उसको 365 से डिवाइड कर देते हैं. अगर टाइम जो है अगर मंथ में है तो उसको 12 से डिवाइड कर देते हैं। और अगर टाइम जो है अगर वीक में है तो उसको 52 से डिवाइड कर देते हैं और उसको ईयर में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं। तो डियर स्टूडेंट, आई होप दैट दिस इज क्लियर। प्रिंसिपल, इंटरेस्ट एंड टाइम। इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेटेड interest calculated on the per 100 so 2%, 4%, 5% are 5% means 5 out of 100। यानी कहने का मतलब है कि अगर आप जो है इंटरेस्ट उसको देते हैं या लेते हैं तो वो जो है पर 100 का होता है। अगर इंटरेस्ट 4% है तो इसका मतलब जो है कि 100 रुपये पर जो है आपको एक्स्ट्रा 4 रुपया देना है। सपोज दैट अगर हम किसी से 100 रुपया जो है अगर बारो किए जो है तो प्रिंसिपल हो गया जो है, और अगर हम 4% के रेट से अगर हम इंटरेस्ट उससे ले रहे हैं या दे रहे हैं तो अगर उसको हम 4% के रेट से अगर हम दे रहे हैं इंटरेस्ट जो है तो आफ्टर 1 ईयर जो है उसको हम रिटर्न करेंगे 104 रुपीज। 104 रुपीज क्या होगा? 104 रुपीज जो है अमाउंट होगा, क्योंकि 4 क्या है? इंटरेस्ट है। So dear students, I hope that this is clear to you. Now I will explain some questions based on this topic. So first of all, before solving the question, I will write formula. Formula is simple interest SI equal P into R into T upon 100. P means principal, R means rate, and T means time. Here time is in year. P means principal, R means rate, T means time in year. Time in year. So dear students, I hope that this is clear to you. Now I will explain questions of slide 11.1. Question number 1 of exercise 11.1. Question is fill in the missing entries. Principal equal rupees 3200, rupees 3200. Rate R equal 6% per annum. Time equal 3 years. Time equal 3 years. You have to find out interest and amount. You have to find out interest and amount. What is the interest? Dear student, as you know, simple interest SI equal P into R into T by 100. So dear students, SI equal P into R into T by 100. Here value of P equal 3200, 200 and value of r equal 6 multiply 3 upon 100. Here 2 0 cancel by this 2 0, then 6 3 are 18 multiply by 32, 32 multiply by 18, 8 2 are 16, 6 carry 1, 8 3 are 24, 24 plus 1 25, 1 2 are 2 and 1 3 are 3, 6 5 plus 2 7, 3 plus 2 5, 576. So it will equal to the rupees 576. So dear students, as you know, this is interest. Now we have to find out amount. What is amount? Amount A equal P plus I. Principal plus interest. Principal is 3200. So rupees 3200 plus 576. Then it will equal to the rupees 3776. So this is amount. So dear students, I hope that this is clear to you. Now next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is a sum of rupees 2000. A sum of rupees 2000 was borrowed on 1 April and repaid on 25 August of the same year. At an interest of 7.2%. What was the interest paid? What was the interest paid? Now dear students, in the given question, you have to given that principal is rupees 2000. Principal equal rupees 2000 and borrowed on 1 April and repaid on 25 August. So I will count days from 1 April to 25 August. Dear student, as you know that in which date borrow is take, then that day calculated, but in which day borrow paid, then that day not calculated. So total days will be total days equal. Total days will be April. In April, total day equal 30 plus. In May, total day equal 31. And June, total day 30, and July total day 31, and paid at 25 hours. So 25 not calculate, total days in August will be 24. So it will be 24. So therefore total days will be 4 plus 1 plus 1 6, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 3 146 days. Total days will be 146 days. Now interest, rate of interest are equal 7 colon by 2%. Therefore it will be equal to the 7 to the 14, 14 plus 15 by 2%. So I will calculate SI equal P into R into T by 100. P is 2000 into R is 15 by 2 into here days converted to the year. Therefore it will be 146 upon 365. Then it will be equal to the year. It will be equal to the, when you divide this by 73, then it will be equal to the 73 to 146 and 73 5 365. Then it will be equal to 2 upon 5 year. So it will be equal to the 2 upon 5 upon 100. So these two calculated by cancel by these two, and 2 0 cancel by this 2 0, and 5 4 ja 20. Then it will be equal to the rupees 60. 15 4 ja 60. Therefore simple interest will be rupees 60 paid by the borrower. So dear student, I hope that this is clear to you. Next video I will explain next question of this chapter. Thank you so much.